The risks behind this troubling car trend. Imagine cruising down the highway, your favorite tune blasting through the speakers, when suddenly, your car decides it's time to park itself. No, this isn't a futuristic feature gone rogue. It's a reality for some drivers due to a troubling trend in the automotive world: malfunctioning electric parking brakes. From the thrill of the open road to an unexpected jolt to a complete stop, the journey of modern vehicles is taking a wild turn, and it's not always for the better. With over 870,000 vehicles recently recalled, this is a trend you can't afford to ignore. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, your go-to spot for navigating the twists and turns of the automotive landscape. Today we're shifting gears from our usual celebration of cheap, fun, and reliable wheels to dive into a critical issue that's putting a damper on the driving experience for many. We're talking about the rise of electric parking brakes and the associated risks that have drivers, braking in their tracks. From unexpected stops to safety recalls, we're unpacking the latest developments that have the automotive industry and drivers alike on high alert. So buckle up, because we're about to explore the risks behind this troubling car trend that's bringing a whole new meaning to stopping power. In the fast-paced world of automotive innovation, where the thrill of the latest technology meets the practicality of daily commuting, a new player has emerged on the scene, stirring both interest and concern: the electric parking brake. This modern marvel, designed to replace the trusty mechanical handbrake, has promised convenience and advanced safety features. Yet, as with any tale of progress, there's a twist in the story, a series of events that have left drivers and industry watchers alike questioning whether this advancement is truly a step forward or a potential hazard on wheels. The rise of electric parking brakes. Gone are the days of the manual tug or foot press to secure your vehicle in place. The electric parking brake has elegantly entered the automotive stage, offering drivers the simplicity of a button push to engage or disengage their brakes. This shift towards electronic systems is part of a broader move to automate vehicle functions, making driving more accessible and less physically demanding. The allure of such technology lies in its promise to integrate seamlessly into the increasingly digital and connected world of modern vehicles, enhancing the user experience with features like automatic brake release when the car is started, or the integration with various safety systems to prevent accidental rollaways. Case study: Ford F1 150 recall. However, the road to innovation is often bumpy, as demonstrated by the recent recall of 870,000 Ford F1 150 trucks, spanning the 2021 to 2023 model years. This recall shines a spotlight on a critical issue with electric parking brakes: the potential for these brakes to engage unexpectedly while the vehicle is in motion. The thought of cruising at highway speeds only for the parking brake to activate without warning is enough to unsettle even the most seasoned drivers. This scenario, seemingly lifted from a driver's worst nightmare, highlights a significant flaw in a system designed to offer convenience and safety. The root of the problem, diving deeper into the heart of the issue, we find that electric parking brakes, despite their technological sophistication, are not immune to the age-old adversary of automotive components: corrosion. In regions where winter roads are treated with salt, this nemesis accelerates the wear and tear on vehicle parts, including the vital components of electric parking brakes. The susceptibility of these systems to corrosion and subsequent malfunction raises a red flag about their reliability and durability, especially compared to their mechanical predecessors, known for their robustness and longevity. The cost of cutting corners. This unfolding narrative begs a larger question about the automotive industry's current trajectory. Are we sacrificing safety and reliability on the altar of innovation and cost-cutting? The Ford recalls offer a case study in the potential dangers of prioritizing economic efficiency over quality and safety. By opting for shorter wiring to save on production costs, manufacturers may inadvertently compromise vehicle safety, leading to recalls that not only endanger drivers, but also tarnish brand reputation and consumer trust. In this high-stakes game of technological advancement, the electric parking brake saga serves as a cautionary tale. It reminds us that in our pursuit of the next big thing in automotive technology, we must tread carefully, ensuring that innovations truly serve the best interests of those behind the wheel. After all, the ultimate goal of automotive evolution should be to enhance, not compromise, the safety and reliability that drivers depend on every day. Quick pit stop, folks. If your car's electric parking brake were a character from a movie, who would it be? The unpredictable Joker who keeps you guessing, or more of a reliable Woody, always there when you need him? Drop your character in the comments and let's see which brake takes the lead in this cinematic showdown. In the electrifying world of modern automobiles, where innovation races ahead at breakneck speeds, we've hit a speed bump that's causing quite the stir among enthusiasts and safety advocates alike. The spotlight, this time, turns to an icon reimagined, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, an electric stallion that's galloped into uncharted territory only to find itself in a bit of a quagmire. The electric Mustang, recall the Mustang Mach-E, Ford's foray into the electric vehicle, EV arena, has found itself in a predicament that's becoming all too familiar in the automotive industry. A recall has been issued due to a high-voltage electrical connector that's at risk of overheating, with the potential to spark more than just conversations, fires, to be precise. This hiccup in the Mach-E's journey raises questions about the challenges and risks tethered to the new era of high-tech electric vehicles. As these futuristic chariots are assembled in regions where quality control might not always be up to par, it begs the question, are we fully prepared for the electric revolution, or are we charging ahead too hastily? The bigger picture of Ford's recall tale is not a solitary saga, but a chapter in a larger narrative that encompasses the entire automotive industry. From sedans to SUVs, numerous manufacturers are navigating the choppy waters of integrating advanced technologies into their vehicles. This widespread trend underscores a critical crossroads where the drive for innovation intersects with the imperative of reliability. As vehicles become more like computers on wheels, the complexity of ensuring they are road-ready and safe escalates, challenging the age-old balance between pushing the envelope and dotting the I's in reliability. Consumer impact and advice. For consumers, this evolving automotive landscape presents a dual-edged sword. On one side, the allure of cutting-edge features and eco-friendly advancements is undeniable. On the other, the increasing frequency of recalls and safety concerns serves as a cautionary tale. Navigating this terrain requires vigilance and informed decision-making. Staying abreast of recalls and recognizing the importance of regular maintenance are more crucial than ever. For those in the market for a new ride, thorough research into a vehicle's reliability, safety features, and the track record of its technology is indispensable. In an age where the new and untested can quickly become the standard, a discerning eye for detail and a penchant for due diligence are your best co-pilots. As we cruise into the future, the road ahead promises more innovation, more challenges, and undoubtedly more conversations about the delicate dance between advancing automotive technology and ensuring the safety and reliability that drivers depend on. In this journey, the key to navigating the twists and turns may just lie in striking the perfect balance between the excitement of what's new and the reassurance of what's tried and true. And there you have it, folks, a turbocharged tour through the electrifying twists and turns of modern motoring, from high-tech hiccups to full-throttle recalls. Remember, in the fast lane of innovation, it's always wise to keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel of information. If you enjoyed this riveting ride through the world of wheels, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and fuel up on all the latest from Car Computer Exchange. After all, why ride solo on the information superhighway when you can cruise with us? Stay tuned, stay informed, and let's drive into the future together, one click at a time.